All right, so I'm going to show you guys the trades today on MES utilizing the VIX as your confluence to take the ERE trade. And what we're looking for is for the VIX to push into this zone here. This is the 4-hour candle and this is the 4-hour end cap. And we're looking for VIX to push into that 4-hour end cap right here. Once it does, we're looking for longs at that point on our ES or NQ or whatever we're trading. And we're going to wait for the trap to be set. But honestly, it really is just boils down to is the rejection of the end cap, one of these right here. So we're creating an end cap at should be right now. Yeah, there we go. And there's the wick off right there. So that would be your entry into this trade. And then your stop loss would be the zone that it rejected, which is the yellow one. That's the 45-minute candle. And we're going to put our stop there and we're going to target a 2-to-1. Unfortunately, this first one does lose and we actually dip down and we go into our stop loss right there. And I don't want to miss the next one, so I'm going to show you guys it real quick. But this one does lose, and based on our rule set, it's okay. We take 2 entries. So this one ended up losing right there, and then we use a 2-to-1, 2%, 1%, whatever you're going to do. We do $250 risks, and then to make 500. And so this actually taps into it again as this drops down. If you can see this right here on trade 2. So when we come now, we're looking for longs again since that happened, right? And we're going to go and we're going to take the same type of entry. We're going to look for a new end cap that it retraces down into, and we get into the trade. So here we got some end caps. And we don't have any retracements. It actually took away a 45 minutes. Don't have anything to trade. Yeah, okay, so that would have been our entry right there. Let's back that up. This rejection, this bullish rejection, and let's actually put on our 2-to-1 here. And that candle, there it is right there. And then we would put our stop loss at the bottom of the blue zone. And then we would target a 2-to-1, which is right there. And this trade wins, and now we're up 1R, right? And then we're looking again. So we're going to get into another rejection later on in the day, right here around 2:20. If we even took another trade, once you win one, we usually just stop. We'll go check it out real quick just so I can show you guys the example. And that's 130. So you can set an alert for this over here. So when this actually touches this, you know to come look at the chart, right? And other than that, you just let the chart do whatever it's going to do, leave it alone. And that is the best bet. Okay, so there's our dive, right? And then we're rejecting, we're pushing into this. So we know that we're looking for longs. And if we look left all the way over here, here is the end cap. It doesn't carry forward all the way on some of them on TradingView. On NinjaTrader, it does. So I just redraw it. And there's the rejection right there. And there's our bullish candle. So I'm going to go ahead and buy this, click this right here. And I'm going to push this all the way there to 2. And then let it run. And then there are 2 entries to win, taking the ERE system trades with VIX confluence using the 4-hour end cap on the right. If you have any questions, let me know. Be glad to answer them. There's a Discord link in the description if you would like to come on in and check out what we have going on. Thanks.